years ago, this car used to be 100,000+ and you had to wait for it because the dealerships, they didn't have those cars in stock, maybe some of them. So it's a performance P85. It shows plus on a badge on a trunk lid, but it's actually P85. It's just a performance. What you can pay right now for this car, about 15,000-20,000 in a good condition, below 100,000 miles. Is it worth it to buy this car right now or not? That's always your choice. So I took a risk and I got this car for 7,000. I spent some time and money on it, but right now the car run and drive. It is charging. It's a free supercharge lifetime. Never gonna be disconnected, hopefully. I have 2 new screens. I have a lot of cool things on this car. In general, there is no damages and it's in great condition. So basically what it needs right now, only new tail light, the one is coming. It's actually need 2 tires and detail. That's all this car needs, and it's gonna be in a perfect shape. Maybe need more attention on the drive motor, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that or not. In my last video about Tesla S, the one I had before, the black one, I think I was telling about the older Tesla. They have a much better quality. You can feel it, you can touch it, and the car itself, like, been assembled much better than right now. That's actually only my opinion. Maybe if you have a different opinion, just put in the comments below, or if you have the older Tesla like this, I want to know your opinion about the Tesla itself. So we got lucky and the car charged. So it's been charged at 200 miles. Right now we have 181 miles range on this car, 11 years old, 73,000 miles. What I want to do next, I want to take a short trip to any supercharging station because it's free. So basically when you get in the old car, almost, I would say 100%, but sometimes for some reason Tesla caught in that supercharger lifetime for free. So after we charge the car, you run and drive, no problem whatsoever, but we have a noise on the rear motor. The drive unit has a bearing noise and I'm not sure how bad it is. The car might gonna get stuck when you're driving it. So what I want to do right now, since it's a 10 years old car, 11 years old car, 73,000 miles and the car was not running, I want to choose where I can go for the supercharge and take a short trip. See what's the battery actual level gonna be after we're gonna do the trip. And like I say, 181 miles range we have right now. Oh, Malibu, let's take a trip to Malibu. So it shows 48 minutes to go there, 29 miles, and I'm supposed to get there with 55% of battery level. So 29 miles, I'm gonna run AC on the low and drive it just the normal way as a daily driving and see if the mileage gonna stay 150 as 29 prediction, 180 on the range, or it's gonna go down to 0 or maybe 50, or maybe the rear motor gonna get stuck and we're gonna call tow truck right where we're gonna be, maybe on the freeway. Let's drive it and see how it goes. So far so good, the car drives great, and what I can tell, the previous owner of this car probably been spending money because the main screen looks like brand new and the cluster looks like brand new. There is no point of, you know, that leaking glue. That's a common problem for the older Tesla. And what else is cool about this car, it has a tire pressure monitor right on the cluster. So before, if you know or not, like my black one used to be, I had only light for the low tire pressure, but I cannot see, I was not able to see the tire pressure itself on each tire. So here they install this system, and I believe so Tesla charging about 2,000 or 2,500 to install it. But only question I have, why the owner who spent money on this car didn't get drive motor replacement by Tesla, because it was for free and it's been for the certain years of owning the car. I think 10 years. So right now this car 11 years old, and there is no warranty at all from the Tesla. So we got off the freeway right now. We're taking the Canyon all the way to Malibu supercharging station. And so what's happening right now, we have a 9 miles left, 9.8 miles till destination, and we got 157 miles range. If you remember, we started from 180 and 29 miles, but right now it's 156 and 9 miles left. So we basically a little bit off that range. So we got to destination point and my range is 147. It was supposed to be 150 as I predicted, but it's not, and it's actually not bad at all. So I was driving kind of normal on the freeway and not trying to accelerate, but the Canyon sometimes taking more charge, plus AC was running. So basically 11 years old car with 73,000 miles for 7,000 from the auction, non-runner as this, got a life. And the range about the same what you're gonna do on your trip, and it's insane. So guys, please follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and like all the videos you're watching. Thank you so much.